was this one use case where the customer had a lot of operations center managing their enterprise customers. So these enterprise customers would actually, send them email requests that, 20 of my employees have left the organization. Can you disconnect the line? Or, 50 of my employees are going for a, trip to India, for example. Can you just activate international roaming? Stuff like that, right? Mm-hmm. These are completely ad hoc requests. And although those enterprise customers were given a portal, they preferred writing an email to my customer and then, take it forward. Now, they had literally 500 people who were working daily, 2.4 million emails every year. When we looked at it, and it came as an idea, we kind of brought in intelligent automation along with high-end cognitive engine along with text extraction. We were able to reduce 80% of those 2.4 million requests. And suddenly 80% of the problems are getting solved automatically. Much better customer experience for their enterprise customers. And, from a cost standpoint, it kind of helped my customer reduce a great deal. I mean, they could really, move out of probably what they had 100 people or 500 people. They had probably removed 430 or 420 people out of it and actually repurposed them.